all new, super efficient aircraft. How about that for a departure? Very pretty aircraft. 787-8 Dreamliner can carry 242 passengers up to 7,800 miles, while the longer, this particular version, the 787-9, can carry 280 passengers over 8,000 nautical miles. This aircraft uses something like 20% less fuel than today's similarly sized aircraft. It cracks along at a speed similar to the world's fastest twin of aircraft, around about 0.85 Mach, something like that. It's got a higher humidity inside, which does make it more comfortable on long-haul flights, and certainly going over 8,000 miles is certainly long-haul. Coming back towards us. Composite materials make up 50% of the primary structure of the 787, including the wings and the fuselage. Onboard health monitoring systems allow the aircraft to self-monitor important system and maintenance requirements to ground-based computer systems, i.e. back to your engineers at base. Boeing launched the 787 program in April, 10 years ago, with a record order from All Nippon Airways. 60 customers from 6 continents of the world have placed orders for more than 1,000 aircraft, valued at more than $240 billion. Coming in from the left, twin engine 787, powered by either Rolls-Royce engines, the Trent 1000s, or the General Electric Gen X Rolls-Royce turbofan, flat rated at over 69,000 pounds of thrust at takeoff. And she's quiet, that is graceful. In terms of the avionics, Rockwell Collins provide the communications and surveillance systems. Thales provide the integrated flight displays. Honeywell supply the crew information and management systems. Avionics suite based around the Smiths Aerospace Common Core system. Tricycle landing gear supplied by Messier Doughty. Brakes, Messier Bugatti or Goodrich. So you can see how many companies are all involved in bringing this sort of airliner together. Gear down. Runway lights are still on, so we're going to get a flyby with the gear down, unless he's not using the long runway here at Farnborough. Really designed to be a replacement for the 767. And indeed, I remember the 75 and 767 being unveiled here at Farnborough many years ago, and this is the replacement. I guess that looks like a landing run, so he's not asking for the long landing run here at Farnborough. Coming in over the Swan, gracefully down. As compared with the earlier 767, the weight reduction advanced aerodynamics will offer 17% reduction in fuel burn, which is really significant. Oh, a touch and go. Hence why the runway lights weren't off. It was only doing touch and go. What's the difference between landing and touch and go landing point? Not a lot. And there we go. Don't often see airliners do a touch and go. Circuits and bumps. Unless it's raining, then it's a splash and a dash. Now the runway lights are on. So downwind to land. And that was remarkably quiet, wasn't it? When power came on the effectively touch and go on the go route, it was remarkably quiet. As I said, operational cruise speed, Mach 185, which sort of speeds that we fly the 747s at, so it all fits into the network well. This variant, the Dash 9 variant, represents a 20-foot fuselage stretch and a 6-foot span increase when compared to its younger brother, the Dash 8. Boeing has also taken orders for VIP versions of both Dreamliner models. That'd be serious luxury. And there she is, settling down. And we can tell it's a landing run. The spoilers are out on the top sets of the wing to kill the lift. The reverse is to... short landing. Rolls-Royce engines on this particular version. And this is, as you can see, 001. The first one, and there it is, unveiled here at Farnborough 2000.